Hi Buffside friends, this is Miss McCormick, your Creative Expressions teacher. Today I'm going to read you the story The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds, and then we're going to do a drawing to go along with the book. The Dot. Art class was over, but Vasti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. Vasti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. "Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm," she said. "Very funny," said Vasti. "I just can't draw." Her teacher smiled. "Just make a mark and see where it takes you." Vasti grabbed the marker and gave the paper a good strong jab. There. Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. She pushed the paper toward Vasti and quickly said, "Now sign it." Vasti thought for a moment. "Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name." The next week, when Vasti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot she had drawn, her dot, all framed in swirly gold. "Humph, I can make a better dot than that." She opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work. Vasti painted and painted. A red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, a blue dot. The blue mixed with the yellow. She discovered that she could make a green dot. Vasti kept experimenting. A lot of little dots in many colors. "If you can make little dots, I can make big dots too." Vasti splashed her colors with a bigger brush on bigger paper to make bigger dots. Vasti even made a dot by not painting a dot. At the school art show, a few weeks later, Vasti's many dots made quite a splash. Vasti noticed a little boy gazing up at her. "You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw," he said. "I bet you can," said Vasti. "Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler." Vasti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. "Show me." The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Vasti stared at the boy's squiggle, and then she said, "Please sign it." And that's the end. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you step by step how to make your own drawing of the dot. And then this is another example I did. This one I use colored pencils for. This one I use markers for. You can use whichever one you would like. And I will show you how I started it. And then you can try it at home with crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have. So I'm going to use markers again. You're just going to start like they did in the book. I'm going to start with a black dot to start. Then I might go and do some polka dots. But I'm not pushing so hard that I ruin the marker tip. Then I might go and do a circle around. And I'm going out from that original center dot that I did. And you want to try and use as many different colors as you can. And if you can incorporate some patterns, that might not be a bad idea to do as well. I'm going to do some more dots. But I'm using every color marker that I have here. So then I might go back and do some solid. I might do some swirly lines around the circle. It's whatever you want to do, but you want to start with the center and work your way out towards the edge of your paper. And it's whatever you want to do. I encourage you to use patterns and as many different colors as you can. And again, you can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have available. And you just need a plain piece of paper to start. And I'm going to go around. You want to go right to the edge of the paper. But you want to go out in a so it looks like a big dot when you're done. And that's how you make the dot. And again, these are my other examples that I did. Notice it does not have to be on the same spot on your paper. It's wherever you want to go and you want to work your way out. Hope you have fun, friends.